Hey, that's a nice rock.
Yeah, no, it's my rock.
It's gonna be my rock soon.
Ha! You'll have to fight me for it.
Are those rails dancing?
They're fighting. Real style. It's how they protect their territory.
Hey, you! Get away from my rock!
Guess she's the winner. Nice move, Sam.
Whoops. I didn't realize I was doing that.
You were moving just like the rails. And that's how we're gonna get inside.
What do you mean?
If you challenge the rails with your dancing and win, they'd have to let us into their village.
But moves are only half the fight. We need rail noises too. Which you know how to make. Whiskers, that's it. If we work together, we can dance and sound just like a rail and challenge the champion.
It's gonna take skill and it's gonna take teamwork. What do you say?
I say, let's dance. How do I look?
Just like a rail. Come on. Hey. Let me into the village.
You're pretty big for an inaccessible island rail.
My mom says I've always been big boned.
Well, still can't come into our village without a fight.
You're on.
You don't see that every day.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Not sure. This new guy's got moves, but nobody's ever beat the champ.
Keep it up, Sam. You're doing great.
I've seen some moves in my day, but that was really something. You may enter the village. Open the gate!
Director Scratch?
Well done, agents.
You're all right.
Where have you been?
Right here in the village. The rails are old friends of mine. They helped me set up this little test for you.
You mean this was a test too?
That's right. A teamwork test. I needed to see if you two could work together. And I must say you did exceptionally well. Teamwork test? Passed. And another creature case closed.
Well, ain't that something? Nice dancing, partner.
Couldn't have done it without you, partner.